Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Elecom Bluetooth mouse. First, let's get started with the initial setup. Please make sure your Elecom mouse has fresh batteries, as this is crucial for a stable connection. Next, locate the power switch, usually found on the bottom of the mouse, and slide it to the on position. Finally, position your mouse within about 1 meter or 3 feet of the device you wish to connect it to. This proximity helps ensure a smooth pairing process. Now that your mouse is powered on, it's time to activate its pairing mode. Look for a small, often recessed, pairing button on the underside of your Elecom mouse. Once you've found it, gently press and hold this button for about 3 to 5 seconds. You'll know it's working when the LED indicator light on the mouse starts to flash, signaling that it is ready to be discovered by your device. This flashing light is your cue to move to the next step. With your Elecom mouse in pairing mode, let's turn our attention to your computer or device. Navigate to your system's Bluetooth settings menu. This is typically found within your operating system settings or control panel. Once there, confirm that Bluetooth is enabled and actively scanning for new devices. You should then see your Elecom mouse appear in the list of available devices. Simply click or tap on its name to initiate the connection process. Congratulations! Your Elecom mouse should now be connected. Your device might display a confirmation message indicating a successful pairing. A key visual cue on the mouse itself is that the LED indicator light will stop flashing and remain solid, or turn off entirely, depending on your specific model. To ensure everything is working perfectly, move the mouse around and try clicking both the left and right buttons. Enjoy your newly connected Elecom Bluetooth mouse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.